foodies, welcome to Mellowbites. I'm Deepa and welcome to Healthy Lunchbox series episode number 2. In this episode, I'm going to make a very basic simple veg pulao, but trust me, this is going to be very tasty, very easy and super healthy. Let's get into the recipe.
To a heavy bottomed pan, add a little oil and little ghee. Once it's hot and melted, add 1 inch cinnamon, 2 cloves, 1 cardamom, 1 bay leaf, 1 star anise and 1/4 teaspoon of fennel seeds for nice spice and aroma to the pulao. Also add in 3 slit green chilies for more spice. Then add 1 sliced big onion and saute it until it turns translucent. Follow it by adding 1½ teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute this very well till the raw flavor goes off. Now add a handful of chopped mint leaves. This gives a beautiful aroma and also flavor to the pulao. It's time to add veggies. I have added 1 carrot, 3 to 4 green beans, 1/4 cup of green peas, few cauliflower florets along with some salt for the veggies. More the veggies, more the colorful and healthy it is. So you can go ahead and add whatever the veggies you want. I have added peas for the protein here. Cover and cook it in simmer. Let it cook in its own water until it's 60% done. Then open the lid and add 1/3 cup of yogurt and mix it well. Saute it thoroughly until the yogurt mixes very well with the vegetables and makes it completely soft. Here I have taken 1½ cups of Siraga Samba rice. You can go ahead and add any whole grain rice as per your wish, but this Siraga Samba rice is really healthy and really very flavorful and adds a nice aroma to the pulao. I have washed and soaked it for 20 minutes. Add in 3 cups of water and you can also add some salt that's required for the rice. When the water comes to a nice rolling boil, it's time to add rice. Let's add in the washed and soaked Siraga Samba rice into it. Mix it well and cover it with a lid. Onto the other side, when this is getting cooked, let's take a small kadai and add ghee to it and roast some cashews into nice golden color so that this can be added to the top of the pulao to add richness and crunch to the pulao. Wow, the pulao is cooked in few minutes. Look here. Let's top it up with the roasted cashews and some cilantro. You can also top it up with some ghee. Now mix it well. This beautiful, healthy, tasty veg pulao is ready in few minutes. This is really great for your lunch.
I've packed this veg pulao along with some boiled eggs so that it adds extra protein to your lunchbox. Hope you guys love this veg pulao recipe. Meet you in another healthy lunchbox recipe. Thank you for watching. Meet you in next video. Bye.